Fresh mangoes have arrived at the factory. Now these mangoes are being washed neatly and cleanly. They are washed 2 to 3 times. Then the mangoes are sliced one by one and the peel is removed. After that, the mangoes are cut like this. Then beautiful girls carefully inspect the cut mango pieces. After that, all the mangoes are put into grinders. Then all the fresh mango juice is filled into huge tanks. And here, all the seeds are separated. Then everything is blended smoothly. After that, the density of the mango juice is checked. Then the mango juice is filled into testing tanks.
Set point
and
lock.
Doctors check the safety levels.
And set at 92%.
Meanwhile, bottle making starts like this. Then all the bottles arrive like this. After that, every bottle is washed with clean water. Then the fresh mango juice is filled into the bottles. Next, laser machines check every bottle carefully. Then the bottle caps arrive. And finally, the caps are sealed perfectly. After that, doctors neatly inspect all the bottles.
Consistent hue across batch.
Then the mango juice is checked under microscopes. And experts taste test the juice. Now all the mango juice bottles are ready. And the packaging process begins. Then cranes load all the mango juice onto trucks for dispatch. These trucks are sent to supermarkets and city malls like Walmart and Costco. People buy them from stores. And at home, they pour the juice into glasses. And finally, the whole family sits together and enjoys the delicious mango juice.